Offenses are very serious things that if you do not take care of can make you immediately enter into a state of bitterness, and you can continue to make a lot of mistakes in your life. One of the most painful things to ever experience are unexpected hits. They really cut deeply, and there's nothing more painful than when a loved one actually hits you unintentionally, because you will not believe as unintentional. Guess what? In this video, I am giving you 3 tips on how to help you recover or to reunite with your siblings, especially after they've offended you. So stay tuned to the end of this video, because there's a PowerPoint waiting for you right there at the end. So let's go straight into the video. So moving to our first tip, that is understanding perspective. What you should know is that everybody has a different way of thinking. That is one of the most difficult things we try to comprehend as we're growing up as siblings, because you do not expect everybody to think the way you are thinking. So definitely people will make mistakes because they do not think like you. So one of the things that will help you to overcome siblings offenses is the fact that everybody thinks differently and everybody has their own pattern to doing their things. So the best way to use this tip to overcome sibling offenses is by trying to understand how each and everybody in your family, especially your siblings, think and will react in certain situations, so that you are not surprised by their actions, and therefore you've already built a defense to prevent the offense. Did you see what I did there? Tip number 2, learn how to communicate effectively. Now, one of the easiest way to offend somebody is talking to the person. That is why most people say when you get angry, do not speak and walk away. I feel like it's a wrong thing, because I'm not teaching you to retaliate, but I'm saying that you should learn to communicate effectively even when you are angry. Now, there are ways to communicate effectively. How do you communicate effectively? Number 1, effective listening. Now, effective listening, you should know, go beyond hearing words to now hearing emotions. It's not only about what the person is saying, but then how the person is feeling whilst the person is saying those words to you. 2, clear and concise expressions. So when you are speaking to somebody, there should be no ambiguity. What you want to say, you should say it straightforward without beating about the bush. And number 3 is empathy in communication. Now trust me, empathy in communication is a game changer when it comes to communication, because what it actually does is that it builds a bridge for each of you to understand the way you are feeling as you are speaking. So for example, if your sibling is speaking to you in anger and you want to use empathy of communication as a technique to help you actively hear what the person is saying to you, what you do is that you try to put yourself into the person's emotion at the moment. So sometimes some people are not angry, they are just too sad that they cannot express it, that they begin to shout. Some of these things most of the time happen to our parents. They just cannot believe what you are doing. So then the sadness then erupts anger, and then they begin to shout at you. Now, the last tip to help you to overcome siblings offenses is forgiveness. Now, what helps you to become a better person is not in your ability to only love someone, but also in your ability to forgive, especially the people who offend you without a cause. Now, this is a hard pill to swallow, but I bet you to know that your siblings do not intentionally decide to harm you. Some of their actions are involuntary, and then it should be easier for you to forgive them. Now, the PowerPoint for all those who stay to the last minute of the video, you always know I reserve a special point for everybody who stays to the last minute of the video, and that is offenses are bound to happen, so therefore protect yourself. Now, Jesus Christ said, blessed are those who are not offended in me. Why? Because offenses are supposed to happen. One way or the other, you're supposed to be offended so that you can learn from the offenses. But then you have to protect your heart so that the offenses do not cause a wound and then lead to a scar. So if you're hurt about something, as I constantly say, let it go. Just let it go and you'll be fine. Thank you for watching this video. My name continues to be Gabriel Oppong-Mensah, and on that note, bye for now.